Hello guys, good morning. Dito kami sa Albayt guys. Dito kami mag-almusal. Kakauwi lang din ang asawa galing sa trabaho. So pag-decide kami, dito kami mag-almusal na ngayon. Go! Old man. Yeah. Let's go. Achoo! Yan. Medyo kunti lang yung tao guys. Wala dito sa labas kasi may araw na. Medyo mainit-init na. Chatty! Come here now. Let's go inside, Sky. What? Cathy. Yeah. That's the sound of Cathy. Meow. Come on, let's go. Come, Skyler. Ay, afraid of Cathy. Takot siya lapitan ng pusa. Let's go, come here.
Let's here.
Yeah, okay. You play. Keep your shoes inside the box.
Okay.
What do you want? What toy is that?
That one up there. There.
Oh. Ah, okay. Okay, let's go. Just wait.
His toy first, if he likes it.
And the toy burger.
You need the toy?
The burger. So I can go get it.
You like the toy burger? Wait, let's check the room.
The toy burger. Toy burger. The toy. The toy. The toy.
Yeah, it's what you asked for.
No, this guy.
Sorry.
You open this, please.
This mine.
Ah!
Wow, Sky, you're so cute.
Hey, come here, Sky. You're so far away.
Daddy, can you
Yes.
open this, please? The toy.
Okay, you like this one?
Yeah. My scanner.
Go.
Can I scan your order? Okay.
Go, Sky.
Can you open this thing, please?
Hi guys. Yan. Kakatapos na namin guys. So, pupunta muna kami ng grocery. Bibili ng konting gamit. Tsaka pagkain. Yan. Medyo mainit na. Alas 9:30. Dito na kami guys, so grocery muna bago uwi. Ewan ko lang kung bukas na yun. Yeah. Yan. Dito kami sa mall na to guys, na mag-grocery. Diyan tayo naka-park, malapit lang. So
Can we go in there?
see you next time guys. Sky? See you next time guys. Bye.